This is Van Spotlight, where we take a look at some of Outside Van's most premium van conversions. We'll break down all the specs and dive into what makes a custom, one-of-a-kind Outside van. In this episode, we'll take a look at Mr. Blue Sky, which was built in a blue-gray 2019 four-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144 chassis. This van was designed and built to act as an escape pod for a family of four, providing a way to bring them closer together while embarking on family road trips. They enjoy biking, camping, and getting away from it all, but they're also avid gamers, so being able to game during downtime while on family adventures was an important factor in their custom build. Let's start with the entertainment center. Our team installed an aluminum wall mount that swivels, tilts, and securely holds a 32-inch TV. Over the bed, we've built a custom overhead cabinet with a removable shelf to house gaming consoles, controllers, and other items. To keep this space from overheating, we've installed two vents and a 12-volt mini fan with a temperature controller for proper ventilation. To power the consoles and other gadgets, we've installed multiple 110-volt HDMI and USB outlets. And to make everything sound amazing, we installed a JL Audio premium sound system with a media master control center on the cabinet's exterior. This system consists of an 8-channel DSP amp and a mono-block DSP amp flush-mounted in the wall, two 6.5-inch woofers in a box under the passenger seat, C7 component speakers in the door and dash, and coax speakers in the rear doors. When it's game time, players can sit back in the swiveling passenger seats, or thanks to these modular sleeping platforms, they can hang out in the lower bench area. When the upper two-panel bed is stacked out of the way or fully removed, the lower bed panels, which are lagoon tabletops, can be removed and set up on their mounts, converting the sleeping space into an area for hanging out and eating meals. When it's time to go to sleep, both upper and lower platforms can be easily converted back into sleeping areas. With flares on either side of the van, sleeping side to side is possible, and the two-panel bed creates more space in the cabin. The foundation of the lower platform area is constructed of custom boxes that house a 20-gallon freshwater tank and the S-Power diesel heat system. This heating system provides hot water to the sink and exterior shower and warm air to the cabin. This box area also contains the power system, with two lithium-ion batteries and a 2,000-watt inverter providing 600 amp-hours of power. It also features a secondary alternator and a 90-watt ZAMP solar panel on the roof. These combine nicely with the large power system to allow off-grid charging, so running out of power while gaming or using the rooftop air conditioner, microwave, or other components is virtually out of the question. The galley kitchen was custom designed to be compact while still featuring a refrigerator and a sink. The overhead cab shelf provides plenty of storage for gear and clothes. To the left, the overhead cabinetry houses the microwave, additional storage for food and dishware, and a centrally located control panel for all the systems found in the van. When traveling, proper gear storage is essential. To securely store bikes and other gear, L-Track has been strategically placed throughout the van along with D-rings above and below the bed. If a bike needs a tune-up on the road, a Park Tool bike stand has been installed on the rear passenger door. And to top it off, if bike tires or van tires ever need air or the cabin gets dirty, the onboard Extreme Air MAGNUM air compressor provides 120 psi of on-demand air pressure. Our vans are designed with comfort in mind. This is why we installed a roll-left bug screen, allowing the slider door to be left open, even in the buggiest of climates. This bug screen is secured to the van, easily rolls up and down, and opens and closes using both zippers and magnets. The exterior of this build features a number of products that were designed and fabricated in-house at Outside Van. To give you a boost into the van, our fixed steps have been added to both the passenger and driver sides. On the back of the van is our aluminum rear door utility ladder. This ladder comes complete with flip grip traction plates on each step, allowing the user to choose between max traction or a smooth step for barefooted access. Up top is a Fiamma awning along with custom aluminum crossbars to hold a PACKASPORT. Alongside the roof vent is a 90-watt ZAMP solar panel. Towards the front is a rack that houses a 50-inch curved light bar. Below, mounted above the front bumper, is our 2019 front light bracket holding dual amber SAE 6-inch rigid LED lights. To conquer any rugged terrain, we've installed 17-inch black RHINO Overland wheels with BF Goodrich KO2 tires. These are accompanied by AGILE Off-Road's Ride Improvement Package to optimize the suspension setup based on the van's total weight and load distribution. These wheels and tires fit the 2019 model's front wheel arches perfectly thanks to AGILE's no-rub front tire fenders. And that wraps up our tour of Mr. Blue Sky. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the team at Outside Van. See you on the outside.